Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can mog on Omoggle. So mogging on Omoggle definitely means that you are going to beat your opponent by scoring higher. So if you would like to mog, what you have to do is launch a browser, type in Omoggle, and select omoggle.com. Now first of all, it will ask you to simply type in your name, and once you did that, you will get to a page like this. Here, if you would like to mog, you can select this how to mog and question mark icon on your top left hand side, and it shows you quickly how to mog. So these are the rules. It says quick rules for cleaner scans, fairer matches, and better climbs. First of all, face forward, hold still, chin level, and one face in frame. Then you're gonna have to win to climb, and you do not have to dodge. You can see that it says leaving an active match forfeits and cost 7 ELO. So you should not quit when you are having a match. And also you should make your camera stay local, and then you can claim your rank and use your front light. So these are the steps that you should follow if you would like to mog. Thank you all for watching guys. We will catch up in our next upload.